Today, we're on a mission to revitalize your body and supercharge your energy levels with the help of nature's powerhouse, nutrient-rich foods. If you're ready to unlock a natural and sustained energy boost, you're in the right place. Before we jump into the world of revitalization, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our empowering content. Now let's dive into the incredible realm of 20 nutrient-rich foods that can help you revitalize your body and enhance your natural energy. Food 1, spinach. First up on our list is the leafy green champion. Spinach, packed with iron, magnesium, and vitamins like A and C, spinach is a nutrient-rich powerhouse that supports energy production and overall vitality. Whether added to salads, smoothies, or sautéed as a side dish, incorporating spinach into your diet is a delicious way to boost your nutrient intake. Food 2, broccoli. Moving on to another cruciferous gem, broccoli. Bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse that can contribute to increased energy levels. It's rich in fiber, vitamin C, and folate, supporting a healthy metabolism and providing a sustained source of energy. Steam, roast, or add broccoli to stir-fries for a tasty and nutritious energy boost. Food 3, quinoa. Let's shift our focus to a versatile and nutrient-dense grain. Quinoa. As a complete protein, quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it an excellent choice for sustained energy. It's also rich in complex carbohydrates, fiber, and essential minerals, providing a well-rounded nutritional profile. Enjoy quinoa as a base for salads, in soups, or as a side dish to fuel your body with long-lasting energy. Food 4, sweet potatoes. Embrace the vibrant and delicious sweet potatoes for our next energy-boosting food. Packed with complex carbohydrates, fiber, and vitamins like A and C, sweet potatoes provide a steady release of energy. The natural sugars in sweet potatoes, combined with their fiber content, make them a fantastic choice for maintaining blood sugar levels and sustaining energy throughout the day. Food 5, walnuts. Nuts about energy? Look no further than walnuts. These brain-shaped wonders are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and protein. The combination of healthy fats and nutrients in walnuts supports brain function and provides a satisfying and sustained source of energy. Add a handful of walnuts to your snack or sprinkle them on salads for a delicious and energizing crunch. Food 6, bananas. Now let's go bananas for natural energy. Packed with potassium, vitamins, and natural sugars, bananas are a quick and convenient energy-boosting snack. The carbohydrates in bananas provide a fast-release energy source, making them an ideal choice for a pre-workout snack or a midday pick-me-up. Grab a banana on the go or add it to smoothies for a tasty energy infusion. Food 7, lentils, adding a plant-based protein powerhouse to our list. Lentils. These tiny legumes are rich in iron, fiber, and protein, making them a fantastic choice for sustained energy. Lentils provide a slow-releasing energy source, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full and energized. Incorporate lentils into soups, stews, or salads for a nutrient-packed energy boost. Food 8, oranges. Let's bring a burst of citrusy freshness to our energy-boosting lineup with oranges. Packed with vitamin C, fiber, and natural sugars, oranges provide a quick and revitalizing source of energy. The combination of nutrients in oranges supports immune function and helps maintain optimal energy levels. Enjoy oranges as a snack. Add them to salads or squeeze them into a refreshing glass of juice for a natural energy kick. Food 9, eggs. Moving on to a protein-packed option that's versatile and nutrient-rich, eggs. Eggs are a complete protein source containing essential amino acids that support muscle repair and energy production. They also provide important nutrients like B vitamins, choline, and selenium. Whether boiled, scrambled, or poached, eggs make for a nutritious and energizing addition to your diet. Food 10, avocados. Let's embrace the creamy and nutrient-dense avocados for our next energy-boosting food. Rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, avocados provide a sustained source of energy while supporting heart health. They also contain essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them a nutritious addition to salads, sandwiches, or as a tasty guacamole dip. Food 11, beets. Now let's tap into the vibrant world of beets for a natural energy boost. Packed with nitrates, beets help improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to the muscles, promoting endurance and energy levels. Whether roasted, boiled, or blended into a smoothie, beets offer a unique and nutrient-rich way to revitalize your body and support natural energy production. Food 12, chicken breast. For our protein source, let's turn to the lean and versatile chicken breast. High in protein, chicken breast supports muscle health, aids in satiety, and provides a steady release of energy. Pair it with whole grains and veggies for a balanced and energizing meal that keeps you fueled throughout the day. Food 13, Greek yogurt. Time to explore the creamy and probiotic-rich world of Greek yogurt. Packed with protein, calcium, and beneficial bacteria, Greek yogurt supports digestive health and provides a steady source of energy. Enjoy it on its own, with fruits or as a base for smoothie bowls to kickstart your day with a nutritious and energizing boost. Food 14, pumpkin seeds. Let's add some crunch to our list with pumpkin seeds. These little seeds are packed with magnesium, iron, zinc, and protein. The combination of nutrients in pumpkin seeds supports energy production, muscle function, and overall vitality. Snack on them, sprinkle them on salads, or add them to your favorite dishes for a nutrient-rich energy boost. Food 15, black beans, adding another legume to our energy-boosting lineup. Black beans, high in fiber, protein, and essential nutrients like iron and magnesium, black beans provide a sustained source of energy. They also support digestive health and contribute to a feeling of fullness, making them an excellent addition to a balanced and energizing diet. Food 16, dark leafy greens. Let's return to the world of leafy greens with a focus on the darker varieties: kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens. These greens are rich in iron, vitamins, and antioxidants, providing essential nutrients that support energy production and overall well-being. Add them to salads, stir-fries, or green smoothies for a nutrient-packed energy boost. Food 17, coconuts. Time to transport ourselves to the tropical goodness of coconuts. Whether it's coconut water, coconut oil, or coconut flesh, coconuts offer a unique blend of healthy fats, electrolytes, and fiber. These components contribute to sustained energy, support hydration, and provide a delicious twist to your meals and snacks. Food 18, salmon. Revisiting the world of omega-3 fatty acids with the addition of salmon. Rich in protein and omega-3s, salmon supports heart health, brain function, and overall well-being. The combination of these essential nutrients makes salmon a powerful and energizing addition to your diet. Whether grilled, baked, or smoked, incorporating salmon into your meals provides a delicious boost of energy and nutrition. Food 19, mangoes. Let's infuse our energy-boosting list with the sweet and tropical flavor of mangoes. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and natural sugars, mangoes provide a quick and refreshing source of energy. They also contain antioxidants that support immune health, making them a delightful and nutritious addition to your diet. Food 20, watermelon. Last but certainly not least, let's hydrate and energize with the juicy goodness of watermelon. High in water content, vitamins, and natural sugars, watermelon provides a hydrating and refreshing source of energy. Whether enjoyed on its own, added to salads, or blended into a cooling smoothie, watermelon is a delicious and revitalizing way to boost your energy levels. And there you have it, 20 nutrient-rich foods that can help you revitalize your body and unleash natural energy. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and leave a comment below sharing your favorite energy-boosting foods or any other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Remember, nourishing your body with these nutrient-packed options is a tasty and effective way to elevate your energy levels and enhance your overall well-being. Until next time, stay healthy, stay energized, and keep thriving with these amazing foods.